Hey guys, welcome back to SRE. So here's one drag mod, um, 34, long block. Um, got it all ported up. It's really nice. Come out real good. I just gotta go downtown and get 6 mil bolts for the top because I drill and tap them all to 6 mil. Um, just something I do. I like it. I think it's better, more clamping load and evenly on the cylinder. Helps seal the bases better. Also helps with cylinder lift. So anyway, there it is. It's all set. I'm gonna go down and grab them bolts today, and I don't know if I'll get it out today. I guess I haven't heard back from the guy, so I'm just gonna set it in the room and wait. See what he wants to do. Okay, guys, this is SRE, and I'm out.